As we've seen, our bird will follow along with the swing when we deform it with the armature. And if we want to add some animation to the bird itself, we could add some bones and that would allow us to deform the bird. But there's another way that we can apply a simple deformation to the bird to give it a bit more life. To do that, we're going to jump over into the Modifiers tab. Now here you can see that we have the subdivision modifier already applied to the bird. I'm just going to hit the period key on the numpad just to frame our bird up a little bit more so we can see the effect of this a little bit better. Now we're going to add in a new modifier. You can see that we have modifiers for doing all sorts of different things, and we have one section devoted to deforming objects. So under that we can pick this simple deform modifier, and you see it's already affected the shape of the bird by adding this twist effect. So we have twist, bend, taper and stretch, and we can adjust that effect to work around one or other of the axes. So if I select the Z axis and now adjust this angle, you can see that we can actually twist the bird and make it look from one side to the other. And now if I were to add in a second simple deform modifier to this stack, we can now go in and apply a second effect. So if I select bend, I can now bend this forwards and backwards along the x-axis on top of my existing twist. And now my bird is looking up and to the side, and by adjusting these angle values we can give it a little bit of life. And we'll save our scene again.